here really surprised me. I did not expect to see this. This is Cosaque black oats. It is I wouldn't say it's a true winter oat, Dale, but it certainly has more cold tolerance than the white oat species. We have seen it over winter before, but not always up here. Our production on this is being done in North Texas. They can do production as far north as parts of Tennessee, areas like that. It consistently overwinters. But I was really completely shocked at how well this overwintered. And again, I don't know how much of it had to do with just kind of being protected from some wind. We typically would not recommend this, even in Kansas, as a fall planted crop for something to overwinter. But again, we were just trying it. It is a great plant to put out in August.
Yes.
Because it's not going to winter kill in the low 20s like a regular white spring oats will. It'll grow very vegetatively. It's a very good forage oat, and it will grow deep into the fall and early winter for that kind of that stockpile type grazing.
Right, and it tends not to head out from a late summer planting like your white oats will. And of course, anytime a grass plant heads out, you lose forage quality. And this, you can plant it July, August, and you're not going to have a bunch of headed out plants come November, December, when you want to turn out there that livestock just refuse to eat. This is going to stay very vegetative, high quality. The root system is phenomenal.
It does cost a little bit more because it is not nearly as good a seed yielder as a regular white spring oat. So this is Cosaque black oats here.